The biggest forest in the world. The biggest forest in the world is the Amazon rainforest, located in South America. It covers parts of many countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and more. The forest is very big and full of tall trees, rivers, and thousands of kinds of animals. It is often called the lungs of the earth because it produces a lot of the world's oxygen. The Amazon is so large that some parts have never been fully explored. It is hot, wet, and full of life every single day. Many scientists study this forest to learn more about nature and the planet. Inside the Amazon, there are animals that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. There are colorful birds like parrots, fast monkeys jumping through trees, and big snakes like anacondas. The rivers are home to pink dolphins and many kinds of fish. Insects, frogs, and butterflies fill the air and the ground with sound and color. The forest is also home to native people who live with nature and protect the land. They hunt, fish, and grow food in ways that do not harm the forest. This balance between people and nature is very important. The Amazon rainforest is full of trees that help keep the air clean and fresh. These trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen that we all need to breathe. Cutting down trees is dangerous because it hurts the animals, the plants, and the people who live there. Many groups around the world are working to protect the forest from destruction. Saving the forest means saving the animals and keeping the earth healthy. The more we learn, the more we understand how important this place is. Every tree in the forest is part of a big system that helps all life. The biggest forest in the world is a treasure that must be protected for future generations. It teaches us about the beauty and power of nature. People who visit the Amazon often say it is like another world, full of magic and mystery. The forest is loud with animals and quiet with peace at the same time. It reminds us that nature is strong, but also needs our care. Learning about the Amazon can help us make better choices for the planet. The biggest forest in the world is not just a place. It is a gift to all of us. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and follow us for more.